Everyone, welcome back to Alyssa's journey. Um, it's been a while, lots of snowstorms. Snow is now all melted. Hopefully, we're past all that. I pray that everyone is well. First off, thank you all for your overwhelming love and support. It means a lot. It's helping us get through and keep this journey alive and keep riding uh, this room and praying that Alyssa is going to wake up and get through this. She's doing really well at the moment. So, and we're coming to the 1 year anniversary, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Right now, we're at topic number 5, power of attorney. Um, uh, there's, and again, I'm not a lawyer, so contact your legal attorney, your legal advice. I'm just a crazy parent. Again, sharing what we went through. And I spent a little time researching this whole power of attorney. There's the durable, and I'm only talking about New York State. I don't know about any other state. There's a durable power of attorney compared to a regular power of attorney in New York State. Now you're going to say, Pat, what's the difference? The difference is the core difference is what happens if you become incapacitated. And that was Alyssa's case. Now let's get the step. I don't know any young adults, 34, 35, 28, 40, whatever, that have power of attorneys. So Alyssa at 34 obviously did not have one. She's 35 now. And that had led us to retain a lawyer, which starts at $5,000. And that's the purpose of this this video, is to teach you, don't go, I'm trying to get you to understand why it's important to get this durable power of attorney notarized, and then you can sleep at night and not go through the expenses that we are dealing with. So there you go. In New York, the core differences. What happens if you become incapacitated? A durable power of attorney continues to be valid even if you lose capacity, while a non-durable power of attorney would end at that point. A non-durable power of attorney authorizes your agent, whoever you select, to act for you only while you still have legal capacity, while you still can make decisions and talk and communicate. It terminates automatically if you become incapacitated or mentally incompetent. Why would you have a regular one? I don't know. I'm sure there's a reason for it. But if I had a choice, it's going to be definitely the durable one. No ifs, ands, or buts. A durable power of attorney uses specific language so that it remains effective even if you later become incapacitated. Um, Typically stays in effect until you die or you revoke it while you're still competent. So you can always change it. But again, there's a reason for it, but I don't get it. Under New York's general obligation law, financial power of attorney is presumed durable by default unless the document explicitly says it ends upon your incapacity. So normally they're all considered durable, and I'll get to that next step here. In practice, that means most standard New York statutory short form power of attorneys people sign are durable unless the lawyer or form writer had clearly opted out of durability. So 90% of them are durable, but just make sure. I have never seen one that says word durable, but the ones that I see say short form. So what I found out in the short form is really saying durable. So you would be covered. Why it matters? If your power of attorney is non-durable and you have a stroke or a brain injury and lose capacity, your agent's authority stops exactly when you most need someone's, and to manage finances, your family, and may have to seek guardianship through court. That's what we're going through right now. Still not complete, but it's going. It's in the courts. If it is a durable one, your chosen agent can continue paying your bills, deal with Medicaid or insurance, managing accounts, and handling legal financial matters without a court process. So there you have it. That's the difference. And also keep in mind, Durable power of attorney, this is all about your finances and your assets and stuff like that. This has nothing to do with your healthcare decision making. That's why there's a healthcare proxy. And that's why it was important that I share that with you. Healthcare proxy is free, two witnesses, and it's a done deal. Or you can knock it all in one shot with a durable power of attorney, two witnesses, the healthcare proxy, go to a notary. You can go to your town hall, your town clerk, your village hall, village clerk, or maybe know somebody. There's a ton of people that have they're certified notaries and can do it for you, even if it's a short fee. Trust me, you can sleep at night. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I don't want to see you have to lay out at a minimum $5,000, and it can go up. And we're non-contested. Obviously, Gene and I are married almost 40 years. We're on the same page. But I'm sure there are people that are divorced and who's fighting over custody of their kids, they're young adults, and usually the one who's got the most money wins, and the only one that wins really are the attorneys that you're going to pay for and you're going to go back to court. Always is pretty simple, but it still takes time. The courts aren't waiting just for us to show up and say we want this and we want this fast and now. It's a process, so we just have to deal with it. Again, I am not a lawyer, just a loving parent and a friend sharing with you. So you don't have to believe me. I can Google things, I can research things, and you know, you don't know how accurate some of this stuff is, but trust me, I've spent a lot of time looking into it and talking to our lawyer and other folks. So yeah, so that's the difference. Um, Durable short form is a durable power of attorney. I would get that completed and put it in a cloud, put it somewhere with all your important papers, put it in a cloud if your young adults are away in college, in another country, that everybody has access to it. Um, so yeah, that takes care of that topic. As I mentioned before, well, first of all, thanks to my nephew Thomas Calamari, Thomas Calamari Art. Follow him on Instagram. Tom is an amazing artist, obviously Alyssa's cousin. And I told him, hey, it's March. I found out is Brain Awareness Month, and Tom said, "Oh, I'm glad it is, but blue ribbon is for a non-traumatic injury, brain injury, as what Alyssa has, an agnostic brain injury, compared to a traumatic TBI brain injury, which is the green ribbon. We support both of them. We support, there's so many people going through all kinds of, I call them challenges and hurdles in life, and even in worse shape than us. And our hearts go out to those people dealing with Parkinson's and Alzheimer's and cancer, of course, and you name it, mental health. There are people going through. You might not see it on the outside. They might be smiling and saying, "Hey, how's it going?" But inside, trust me, there are a ton of people that have reached out to me and are concerned for us, and then I hear their story. Um, it's a crazy world we live in. So yeah, well, March Brain Injury Awareness Month. Thank you to Thomas for that. This is 1 year anniversary is coming up. I was so fortunate to run into Brooke DiPaolo, our angel, our medic that saved her life from Empress, and spend time with her. She will always be part of our family. And there are great medics out there, trust me, not just Brooke. I know a ton of them in the Hudson Valley who were just, fortunate, whether it was Brooke or anybody, that God used them as a vehicle, used their hands and knowledge to get where Alyssa is today. So God is it. You got to have faith. Just keep having faith and from God's plan and His trust. And that's what's keeping us going. Honestly, we pray every day that she wakes up, and she will. I got to believe she will. Look, it's almost a year. Talk about a warrior. Talk about a fighter. I see her every day as much as I can, spend time with her, and she's there. And somehow we're going to celebrate her 1 year. I mean, it is a celebration that she's made it. That everything that's thrown at her medically, and she's handled it, and it's a lot of credit to her. and her age and her health and how she was, always working and moving around. Didn't really have any health issues. Um, we're blessed and fortunate. And I know she's going to come out of it, but keep in mind there are a lot of other people, friends of mine, personal friends of mine, family, whatever, that they're going through. I pray for them and I think about them every day. So yeah, that's it for our attorney topic 5. Thank you for sharing, liking, supporting, subscribing, and all that. I will put a link of the short form on the on this video, so you can have it, or you can go to however you want to get yours. Just make sure it says short form. Like I said, I don't remember anything that says durable power of attorney on the form itself. That is great. Thanks for watching. We love everyone out there. Make today a better day than this. No guarantees. Many hugs and much love to all of you. Love you. See you soon.